First tonight, more people hospitalized with COVID-19 in Indiana and Evansville than any other time during the pandemic. The rise in cases has city leaders on edge, and the city is preparing for the worst and hoping for the best.
44 News reporter Tyler DRUIN is live for us tonight in Evansville, and he spoke with Mayor Lloyd WINNECKE about the next surprising wave of cases.
Well, good evening, Brian and Jessica. More people have been flocking to tri-state COVID-19 testing sites than ever before following the Thanksgiving holiday. Tonight, Mayor WINNECKE saying it's still too early to determine whether or not the holiday weekend will impact the hospital systems or the economy.
I'm in the restaurant business, and it's been tough. It's been tough with the restrictions with COVID.
COVID-19 crippling nearly every city, county, and state in its path, hitting the Hoosier state with a 1-2 punch. Bars, nightclubs, and restaurants often blamed for rising cases.
It's hard to get the data that says bars are the problem. Are cases coming from bars? Yes. But we know from contact tracing and from other data supplied by the local and state health departments that many cases are coming from large gatherings and family gatherings.
Currently, Indiana has 3 positive COVID-19 patients for every 2 ICU beds available, leading health experts continuing to warn against holiday gatherings. Much like the Thanksgiving holiday, Cheyenne Davis and her family making alternative plans for Christmas.
What we plan on doing for Christmas is kind of doing like a small gathering with my family. Nothing too big, because due to everything happening, you never really know what's going to happen tomorrow or the next day. Right
now, Indiana is ranked second in the nation when it comes to hospitalizations per capita, trailing behind South Dakota.
You know, there's really positive news on the vaccine front. What we don't want people to do is go, hey, the vaccine's going to be here in a couple weeks and people will start getting vaccinations. We don't have to do anything.
COVID-19 suffocating both of the tri-state's largest hospital systems. Both providers seeing nursing and doctor shortages like never before. ICU beds filling up at a record pace.
It's very concerning to me about the hospitals. You know, it worries me for if a loved one or a friend needs that space, what they're going to be able to do about it.
The numbers startling. Indiana has nearly 270 hospital beds for every 100,000 people.
Early in the pandemic, we worked with the Indiana State Department of Health on a possible field hospital here. Right now, they don't think that's necessary.
Back here live tonight, Brian and Jessica. Mayor WINNECKE tells me at this point he does not plan to impose any further restrictions on the city of Evansville. Reporting live tonight at the Civic Center, Tyler DRUIN, 44 News.